With over 15 years in stainless steel fasteners, we entered the solar mounting industry in 2019. Now, our BTC quick rack system is trusted globally from Europe to Japan. We offer fixed and adjustable solar hooks, rails, and clamps made from high-strength steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Our products are designed for easy installation, durability, and cost savings, ensuring secure, efficient solar panel mounting for optimal energy capture. We look forward to working with you and providing you with satisfactory service.